Hello and welcome. Tomorrow we're flying back to the UK for Christmas to be near the family, well, as much as we're able to within the restrictions. We're all packed and ready to go, but we need to do that extra step, which is completing the UK Government's Locator Form, which must be completed and shown at your destination airport. It's very similar to the one we had to do for going over to Spain in episode 1. That was for the Spanish government, but this one is for the UK government. They want to know your travel plans, your travel details, and where you'll spend your first 14 days in the UK, obviously for quarantine. The form must be completed within 48 hours before you travel, so anytime inside 48 hours and not before. The airline will send you a link to the web address you'll need to fill out the form. It's www.gov.uk/UK-border-control. I'll put it in the description below, all typed out there so you can easily cut and paste it if you like. To fill out the form you'll need your passport, your email address, the travel details from your boarding pass, destination airport, flight number, seat number, etc. And you'll need to tell them where you'll be spending your first 14 days for the quarantine. That's the important thing. You'll need to fill out a form for each person travelling, and each form requires an emergency contact name and telephone number. So in our case we just gave each other as the emergency contact. The form's easy to fill in, and when completed they will send you a confirmation email with a QR code, and I think it's a PDF. So you just put your PDF on your computer or put it in your phone into a file on your phone, and then you can show it at the airport and they'll just scan the QR code. And that's it. That's the state of play at the moment. It's Friday the 4th of December. Things may well change as the situation changes, so keep your eye on the gov.uk website for up-to-date information. Right, well that's it. I hope it's been useful. We've stockpiled a few videos to keep you going for the next few weeks while we're in the UK, so stay tuned and we'll catch you in the next one. Adios.
Adios.